Hey, it's Ali again from A-hAAN.co.uk. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your own gaming PC in the living room without it being in the living room. You can get up to 4K 60 frames per second, and I'll show you exactly what you need to get up and running. The first thing you need is a USB over Ethernet. So this will be relatively inexpensive and you can find it on Amazon. I'll provide links. The next item you need is an EZCoo HDMI over Ethernet. This baby will allow you to have 4K 60 frames per second over Ethernet. It will also allow you to have 1080p at 120 frames per second. I've plugged a USB hub into the USB over Ethernet so I can have Bluetooth and a keyboard. You're going to need two HDMIs, one for each end, and then you're going to need 4 Ethernet cables, 2 for each end. Only one end of the EZCoo needs a power adapter. The other device will receive power over Ethernet. Once everything's connected, all of the lights will be lit, as you can see here. Now all you have to do is set up the desired resolution on your PC. For this test, I'm going to use 1080p at 120Hz because I have a W9 which allows that, but I'm also going to use 4K at 60 frames per second. Sometimes you get no signal on your TV. If that's the case, make sure you got the right resolution set. Once everything's set up, you'll be able to enjoy lag-free gaming in your living room. You can do anything you want, play games at 4K 60 frames per second or 1080p. Unfortunately, 1440p at 120 frames per second isn't supported. For most people, that would be perfectly fine. I'm using an Xbox controller over Bluetooth, but you can use a wireless keyboard or even a wired keyboard along with a wired mouse. It's up to you. This is a great alternative to the Nvidia Shield. You no longer have to stream your games because you got it right there as if the PC was in the same room. Lag-free, no latency. I've only got a 1080 Ti, I don't have an RTX card just yet, but if you do and you've got this set up, let me know if G-Sync works over HDMI over Ethernet. I'll leave affiliate links for both of the products in the description, so if you want to get yourself the same setup, then buy them now. Let me know in the comments if you need any help, and like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Take it easy.